Woo! Man, we made it! Yeah! Let's go! We made it through today! Woo! God's amazing. He's amazing. He's doing huge things in my life. Man, work was great. I got to witness. Then I got to go mow 2 yards. Man, God's got some big plans for me. And I'm starting to realize, man, He has huge plans for you. And the Holy Spirit is real. Prayer is amazing. I just hope and pray that you get the courage to give Jesus the opportunity to fix it. Woo! Man, this is the ride home. This is the ride home, baby. Let's go. Woo! Whatever it is, give it to Him. Give it to Jesus. Woo! He can fix it. Man, I look forward to the morning. I look forward to going to bed because I get to pray. And sleeping with a peace is amazing because I know Jesus Christ has got me. Woo! One more for Jesus, baby. Do not give up. Woo! One more. Yeah!